Hello mga kaburikat, I'm here. Binibili ako ng coconut dito sa may tapat ng 103 hospital. Coconut. Look at this nice artwork. Monkey, 3 monkeys. I'm waiting for the coconut. Gumamit na app. So we're going to Thailand for a short holiday. I'm now here in Kok. It's super nice. Look at this. Very spacious yung ano niya. So pwede kang may kalakang maleta. Actually good for 3. Kapag payat, mga good for 3. And pwede rin din sa harapan. Yan si Kuya, para maging muse ka while si Kuya is nagda-drive. So going now, I'm on my way to the bus terminal going to Thailand. Mukhang makulimlim, parang uulan pa ata. So see you there. In Talat South bus station, so let's look for the bus going to the border. Oh, their Friendship Bridge. Walang tao. Let's go. Tumaba muna ako ng bus kasi nga ang init sa loob. Hindi pa kasi naka-on yung AC. So ito na, dami ng bus. Itong bus na to is going sa Udon, pero magnunongkay na lang ako. Oh my god, we just arrived here in the Lao Immigration. Ang daming tao. Why too much people? Why? Ang daming tao. Look. Is it because it's Sunday today? So babalik na sila sa Thailand to work. So we don't know why. The people. Oh my goodness. So let's go and queue. Let's go for queue. It's queuing. Too much people. I think all of these are locals. They're going back to Thailand for their work. Because tomorrow it's Monday. Today is Sunday. Yeah, look at these people. All of these are locals. Ganito ang itsura ng bus. So going to the Thai immigration control. Grabe, the weather today is extremely hot. Wala pang aircon yung bus. Electric fan lang meron. Plus ang daming tao. So look at this. Naka-standing position na ako. Grabe. Now here in the Thai immigration control, I don't sa Lao immigration na full of people. Now, same scenario. Of course, same people from Lao immigration, same people here in Thai immigration. Too much people. There you go. Wow. Taxi. Okay. Magkano kaya to? Hindi ko na tinanong kung